is laser hair removal?
Laser hair removal is a method where we're able to permanently remove hair on pretty much any part of the body. It's a technology that's been in medicine since 1985. Lasers have been around since the 1940s, but in medicine, in this application, have been used since 1985. So we know the safety, we know the effectiveness. The limitation of laser is that the removal of the hair varies between 60 to 90%. But the hairs that are removed permanently. They do not come back when we use the laser. So that's the type of technology that we employ that will be effective in securing permanent hair removal.
How is your laser different than other laser hair removal treatments?
Here at AQUA we have some unique lasers, and the specific laser we have here is something that will allow us to treat any skin type. So that's from the sort of Norwegian Caucasian person to someone who is African in origin, and all of the skin types in between. We're able to treat all the different skin types and do that successfully because of the ability to change the parameters within the laser machine that we have. So this is a newer technology. This is something that's different than some places where they're not able to treat the more pigmented skin, the darker skin types.
How many treatments are recommended?
The treatments vary. On the body, you're looking anywhere from 10 to 12 treatments, and treatments are approximately 6 weeks apart.
How painful is the procedure?
The laser procedure, first of all, the pain and discomfort occurs when the laser is being pulsed. So it's not something that you walk out of the clinic having any trouble afterwards. Again, the type of laser technology we use is unique and is much gentler than most of the other lasers that are utilized out there in the world right now. So patients don't have as much redness and swelling as they may have with other types of lasers in other clinics as well. So this is a better result for the patients, and when we use that in combination with just some local anesthesia type of products, patients have a better result and a much more comfortable result.
Can you treat blonde, gray, or white hair color?
The question with blonde, grey, and white hair is that these hairs have a very tiny amount of pigment, and the laser is attracted to the pigment in the hair. So the straight laser is not able to do that. We have a product where we're able to introduce some of the melanin pigment into the skin, into the hair cell, and as such it allows those hairs to be treated. Obviously it's not going to be as ideal as someone who has black hair, but it allows us to treat those hairs successfully as well.
What should a patient be doing prior to treatments or post-treatments?
Prior to treatments, obviously trying to reduce as much of their sun exposure, so they're not getting any extra sun exposure would be great. We ask patients that they would also then shave the hair in the area, usually about 24 hours before they come for their treatment. This reduces the chance of burning, because obviously that's something we don't want to have happen for them, and they don't want to have happen to themselves. But pretty much there really is no big restriction, because as I said, when we're able to treat all of the skin types from Caucasian to Negroid, the sun exposure really is a minimal effect for us.